Reached fourth floor at Hotel Acacia, and he's our brother. He has invited me for Nikon workshop at Hotel Acacia. So hello brother, thank you. This is a small gift for me from Nikon school. So thank you so much brother. So let me do the registration. So here I have done my registration. Some members already came and we will wait for some other few members. So let us see the hall. So this is the hall where we will be taking the class.
Pitch. Now roll, yaw and pitch. All these three.
Very good. Just next to the cameras like RE and all. Big cameras like raw.
Now for this kind of situation, all these settings. Okay.
Right in front of us we have a Nikon event manager of Northeast. So sir, we want to know something about the workshop, why you used to conduct the workshop. So can you please tell us something about the Nikon workshop?
Hi everyone. Basically we do this kind of photography training. Basically it's a workshop and we train professional people. Today's event is for wedding photography, because wedding photography market is the biggest market in India, and a lot of people now they are into wedding photography, and people hire photographers and videographers for their weddings. And due to social media like Facebook, Instagram, a lot of content are being uploaded every day because of wedding fashion related. We do this kind of workshops across Northeast, and close to 80 to 90 workshops in a year we do in Northeast. In Dimapur we do it every year, at least 2 to 3 workshops. Today's workshop is totally free of cost. We are not charging anything. We are just training them, educating the photographers. As you can see, a lot of photographers from Nagaland are here. Close to 40 people are here. Professionally, they are doing wedding, fashion, and other kind of photography. So we teach them how to do better photography and better video.
If someone wants to take the workshop, then how we will contact?
We have an authorized dealer here, Nikon partner dealer, Synergy Systems, Redefined. So if anyone is interested to do workshops, learn about photography, they can visit our store in Circular Road, Synergy Systems, or they can also log into Nikon website www.nikonschool.in.
After this workshop, will there be another workshop this year?
Yeah, hopefully we are planning another workshop in Nagaland University in the month of June or July. So that's still in the planning stage. Once it is finalized, we will share the word around. People will come to know. That's for Nagaland University students only as of now.
So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much
for all the details. May the good Lord bless your team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Free workshop, free lunch, and free servicing provided by a Nikon school. What a coincidence for me to meet my friend Mr. Atiba at this workshop. I praise God for this meeting. So if any one of you is interested to join a Nikon school in the next workshop, then you can please contact Mr. Manoj. I will give his contact number at the description box. Thank you so much for watching.